Good morning, boys and girls. It's Mr. Powell, and we are going to be looking at subtraction using open number lines again this morning or today. So the first question that we're going to look at together is 35 subtract 24. So again, we draw a straight line across. We have the number 35, and we're going to take away 24 from that 35. So what we need to do first is we need to write the number 35 at the very end or the front of this line, and then we're going to count backwards. So 24 are divided into two parts. We have the ones column and we have the tens column. So in this case, we need to have two tens and we need to have four ones. So let's try this out. We're going to count backwards by 5, and that would give us 30. And count back again by 5. That's going to give us 25. So we got 10 now. We need another 10. So let's keep counting. Subtract 5. That's going to be 20. And then we're at 5, 10, 15. We need use another 5. And that's going to give us 15. So 5 plus 5 is 10, and then 5 plus 5 is 10. We have our two 10s, so this is taken care of. Now we need to subtract our 1s. So let's take a look over here. We can go down by 2. That's going to give us 13. And then again, we can go down by 2 more. And that's going to give us 11. Our answer is 11. So this, boys and girls, is one way we can use a number line. We went down by 5s, so 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5 and 5 is another 10. That gave us our two 10s. 2 plus 2 is 4, and that gave us our 1. So we've subtracted everything we're supposed to, and we got our answer at 11. Now, you can definitely go with higher numbers if you are comfortable. You don't have to just go down by 5s. If you're comfortable going down by a bigger number, we can definitely do that too. So let's quickly try that. So we can go, let's say, by 10s. 35 subtract 10 would be 25. 25 subtract 10 would be 15. Already we've got our two 10s taken care of. Now we get the ones column. We need 4. I got to take away 4 from the 15 now. Take away 2. Give us 13. And then take away 2 more. And that will give us 11. So again, our answer will be 11. And we got it both ways. One was a little bit shorter because we used bigger jumps. It's up to you if you feel comfortable doing that. So let's take a look at one more question. Let's do, this back. Let's do another question. Let's do 55. Subtract, and we'll say 33. All right. 55 subtract 33. Using our open number line, first thing we do is we write our 5s, our 55 down here, sorry. Got our 55. Now we need to go and subtract 33. So we have 3 10s and 3 1s. So let's try that. We can go by 5s again. If you go down by 5, that equals 50. Another jump of -5. It's going to give us 45. down by 5. It's going to give us 40. -5. Again, it's going to give us 35. So we got 5 and 5 is 10. And then we have another 2. 5 and 5 is another 10. But we need to do 3 10s. So we've got 2. We need to do two more 5s. 5 would be 30. And then subtract another 5 would be 25. So we got, this is 10 here. That's 10 there. That's 2 10s. This is our third set of 10s. So we've gotten this column taken care of. Now we got to go down by 3. So we can go a jump of -2, which would give us 23. And then one jump of -1, and that'll give us 22. So 22 would be our answer. Again, if you feel comfortable, you can definitely use higher numbers to do your jumps. So we can quickly look at that as well for the same question. It's only up to you and your comfort level. Let's try that again. All right, so 55 subtract 33, we can go down 3 10s. So we can jump down by, let's say, 10s now, -10. 45. Another 10. 35. Another 10. 25. So we've got 1, 2, 3 10s already subtracted. Now we got to subtract the 3 1s. So we can do -2. That'll be 23. And then subtract 1, which would give us 22. Again, we got the same answer, 22, just using far less jumps, only if you are comfortable. I hope this makes sense, boys and girls, and we'll try some practice questions next.